I don't think the desk will hold this. I'm so excited, man. I cannot wait. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm currently editing the first episode of what you are going to see next, I guess. So I'm gonna start a series about how I made my dream gaming room and workspace also. So keep in mind that I filmed everything, but I didn't know I was going to like make this into a real thing. So at places it will be cringy, of course, and you'll see me kind of struggling to talk in English and stuff like that. So yeah, bear with me. That's all. Back to the video. So this will be behind the two monitors I'm gonna have right there. I just have to figure out how to put them on the wall, and then I'm gonna have to work on those to make them seamless, and then coat everything with I don't know what. We are going to figure it out. But this is my old setup, and I'm going to make my my dream gaming room. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the new desk to arrive, and then clear everything and start mounting these on the wall. The new monitors have arrived, and now we are waiting for the desk. The courier just called me. He will be here in like 2 minutes or something. I'm so excited, man. I cannot wait. I need space and I don't have space. hope I got the right adhesive for this. I tested it on the small of polyester. I don't know how to call this in English, but it should be fine. Otherwise, the glue will melt this, so I hope that won't happen. So yeah, ooh, wait. We actually have instructions? Okay, we'll do that. You know what, let's just go for it. What can happen? I believe it's overkill. Okay, there we go. The first one.
My God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
This one, it's a bit broken. I won't use it. Okay, so let's just check. Yep, that's good. Glue. Okay, looks good from the far. Oh. That's done. One whole bottle. I definitely knew that. Okay, so this is how it came out. Tomorrow I'm gonna use a special silicone to kind of make those edges fit perfectly. I'll try to do them the best as I can, and then we'll paint this in white and the whole room actually again because it's dirty. And yeah, this is how it looks. This is the cheaper way, but it's definitely a bit more work to do. So, but I guess those with RGB lights and stuff, it creates this like 3D effect. It will look awesome. So yeah, that would be kind of the backdrop in that corner. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for the change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Now. Bữa tiếp vào.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Okay, so I'm done sealing the cracks. It looks much better. I used acrylic silicone for this, and we're going to wait for this to dry, fully dry, and then start painting it. Maybe I'll do like 2 coats of paint, and that will also cover my finger, how do you say, fingerprints stuff that you can see. But it definitely looks a lot better.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Sleepy! He's done with. Nu poți să faci nimic cu tine. Okay, so I had a few more things that arrived, but obviously I didn't have the patience, so I already searched the boxes and everything. So this is the new headphone set. It's from Logitech, and then I have those edifier speakers. They are looking, I mean, come on. They are awesome. Those are the headphones. And then I have the 2 Alienware monitors. And right now I'm gonna mount those and see if the desk can hold that much weight. I'm kind of nervous, but I guess we'll see. Maybe this is for something else. Looks stable enough. those are the VESA mounts for the monitors. Thank God. Thank God. I don't think the desk will hold this. I really don't think. I'm sweating. I'm a bit concerned about the table not being able to sustain that much weight. Okay, now I have to figure out how to lower this one down, because it's definitely too high. And I had to remove everything. God. Yeah, I think this will work. Let's keep it this way and see. Okay, so I managed to get one. I'm kind of scared because of the weight. There's so much weight. But I guess we'll see. I don't know. The plan is to have two of them stacked up, and then, well, I wanted on the left side a vertical one, but I think I'm gonna move it to that side. We lost some space, on the desk, but I think it's enough. It's basically like my old setup. This is enough for me, that's fine. And then having the vertical one here would make a lot more sense because there's more room. And yeah, let's just put the other one up and see what happens. Unboxing box number 2.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain.
So finally, I managed to make them work. So this is the behind arm. It fits pretty goddamn well, actually. Love that. And we definitely have enough space right here for the vertical monitor. So yeah, I'm gonna put the arm right there now.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Okay, so this is my old PC. I'm gonna work on getting a crazy build next. Well, after we finish with all the other stuff. And then we are still waiting for the vertical monitor to come. And we are going to exchange these. I got the same mouse but on white. I got a new keyboard on white. And then once we have everything in here, we are gonna add the RGBs and then go shop for another chair and then maybe get like a, I don't know, something so I can put stuff on this wall. And then for this I wanna make a kind of a illuminated logo, so I wanna write M's creative room basically as my video logo that you can see here, but it will be M's creative room. And then the next upgrade would be a new mic in case I want to start streaming, because I do consider starting to stream this winter. And then get something for the window so the light won't come in like at all. I'm not sure, we'll see. And I wanna have on this wall like 2 racks where you can like put headphones and stuff like that. I saw them online, they look pretty cool. So yeah, this is it. Tomorrow some friends will join me so we can add an more memory on this, so hopefully it will move faster a bit, because as I told you guys, I'm preparing to get a new PC, but I kinda invested all the money in the other stuff, so yeah, that would take a while. Maybe next year, I mean next year for sure, but for now we keep it on hold because it's a lot of money for what I want to have in that PC. This is how I set those two up. I still have plenty of room. However, I'm concerned about the weight because in this point it's all the weight of the two monitors and the and the arms, which is extremely heavy. And actually, if you watch from the back, you can see them bending a bit, the wooden plank. So yeah. And what else? Well, we need to shop again for a new mat to go around here. And then yeah, I don't know. This is what came out of today. Painted all the room, and painted that shit took like 3 hours. It was crazy, but I think it turned out pretty good. You can still see the stitching, but with the RGB and when the light is out, I guess it would be just fine. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated with the new stuff. So peace guys, bye.
Go, go, go.
Good morning, beautiful people. I'll go check what else I can find. Mini hurdle from IKEA. Ooh. Ah.